Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Yawk, and once again we are continuing our journey down the Las Vegas Strip. We started at the north end, we're heading our way south, visiting every hotel and casino, or just about every hotel and casino on the Strip. And the series will continue with hotels and casinos downtown as well as those off the Strip. We're about halfway through the Strip right now, and today we're going to visit Planet Hollywood, the Aria and Vidara, quick look at the Waldorf Astoria, and then onto the Park MGM. If you missed any of the hotels and casinos north of the ones that you're going to visit today, well then just check those videos out here on the New York channel. You ready? Let's get started. First up today is Planet Hollywood Hotel and Casino, home of Gordon Ramsay Burger, winner of 2 burger challenges here on the New York channel. Now I'll be heading to Las Vegas in a couple short weeks, and there's a lot of new burger places and a lot of new burgers here on the Strip. I'll be checking them out and perhaps doing a 3rd burger challenge here on the channel. Here we have Cafe Hollywood. Enjoy what you like when you want it at Cafe Hollywood. Breakfast is always on the menu, dinner is served even later, and the counter is always ready to satisfy your caffeine and sugar cravings. Here's the Heart Bar, encompassing the elements of an epic Las Vegas party. You'll love the music and the sultry vibe of the Heart Bar. Earl of Sandwich, I've eaten here a few times. Great menu, great sandwiches, good value. Here's the Planet Hollywood Sportsbook. Planet Hollywood is located right off the Miracle Mile Shops, which is a major shopping mall here on the Strip that's undergone a multi-million-dollar improvement over the past year. Yolo's offers up some Mexican fare. I believe this is going to be part 5 of the entire Las Vegas Hotel and Casino series here on the New York channel. If you missed parts 1 through 4, you can go back anytime and check them out. You don't need to check these out in order. I'm thinking this entire series is probably going to run roughly about 15 episodes, so keep that in mind. Lots more coming from the hotels and casinos here in Las Vegas. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a shout out to Robert Camacho, who found Cabby, the New York City cab, hidden in my Empire State Building video last week. Congratulations, Robert. Up here on the Mez level, as they call it here at Planet Hollywood, we have the Chris Angel Showroom, Strip House, Steakhouse, as well as Koi. On tight. For those of you who don't know, Planet Hollywood was previously the site of an earlier resort known as the Aladdin, which operated from 1962 to 1997. The original Aladdin was demolished in 1998 to make room for a new Aladdin, which didn't do well financially and was purchased in 2003 by Planet Hollywood. The property is now managed by Caesars Entertainment. Next up, the Aria Hotel and Casino, as well as its sister tower, the Vidara. Aria's hotel includes 2 curvilinear glass towers rising up to 50 stories. The hotel has 4,004 rooms and suites and is a recipient of the AAA 5 Diamond Award and 5-star rating from Forbes Travel Guide. The resort also includes the only casino at City Center with a 150,000 square foot gaming space, and other features include a 80,000 square foot salon and spa, 500,000 square feet of convention space, and numerous restaurants as well as artwork and water attractions. Some of those restaurants include Julian Serrano's Tapas, bringing Spanish food here, as well as Catch, one of the only locations bringing epic renditions of Asian-influenced sushi, seafood, and steak. There's a great photo opportunity here at Catch, and they don't mind you walking in even if you're not dining there, just to take a few pictures. Here's the lobby bar at Aria Hotel and Casino. When the mood strikes, it's time to unwind with a mouth-watering cocktail at the lobby bar. This is Din Tai Fung, the go-to dining destination for steamed dumplings and noodles. I just love saying the name of the place, Din Tai Fung. This is Aria's Patisserie. Everything you crave is handcrafted daily here with the freshest seasonal ingredients and great coffee. By the way, I was comped a room here at Aria, a beautiful room. You can catch that video as well as the pool here at Aria here on the New York channel. Downstairs you'll find Jewel, the nightclub here at Aria. And right next door is a very convenient pickup and drop off to the nightclub, where you can also catch an Uber or cab. There's lots of shops here at the Aria and Vidara, and right next door you have the shops at Crystals, a high-end shopping mall. This is Salt and Ivy Cafe and Patio Bar. It provides a casual dining experience with indoor and outdoor seating, great views of the pool. And again, if you want to see the pool and a room here at the Aria, just check out those videos here on the New York channel. Also up here on the second level is the Bardo Brasserie, Jean-Georges Steakhouse, as well as Carbone, an Italian restaurant. And of course, there's Proper Eats Food Hall, the most eclectic and mouth-watering collection of food from around the world. Back downstairs, we have the sports book here at the Aria, as well as Moneyline Pizza. I've never had a slice there. From what I understand, it's very good. I'll have to check it out on my next visit. Down in this area, just off the casino, we have Blossom, which is a Chinese restaurant, as well as Lemongrass serving up some Thai food. Alibi is one of the more popular casino cocktail lounges on the Las Vegas Strip. Here we have the Aria Poker Room, and coming up is Posh Burger. Discover a socially forward, energetic, and casual dining destination where besties and burgers gather together. This is Javier's bringing a Southern California favorite to the Las Vegas Strip and serving up some Mexican fare. The casino here is shared by the Aria as well as the Vdara. I've never stayed at the Vdara. I have stayed here, of course. And I'm going to show you some stills from the Vdara because I've never stayed there. These are the public areas of the Vdara. As I've mentioned before on the New York channel, MGM Entertainment seems to like to do this thing where they have one tower known for its casino and a sister tower that just shares that casino. Aria and Vdara is one example. Then there's the MGM Grand and the Signature Towers, which is another example. You have Mandalay Bay and Delano, or Delano, depending upon how you say it. And even in Atlantic City, they have the Borgata and the Water Club, which is now being rebranded as the MGM Tower. Something they seem to like to do. Next up is the Waldorf Astoria Las Vegas, formerly the Mandarin Oriental Las Vegas. It's a 47-story luxury hotel and condominium building in the city center complex on the Las Vegas Strip. It's managed by Hilton Worldwide and is part of the Waldorf Astoria Hotels and Resorts brand. And we're just going to visit this one quickly. I have a couple stills here. I never stayed here. As most of you know, it does not have a casino. Even if you're not staying at the Waldorf Astoria, that's no reason not to visit it. It has some great lounges and restaurants as well. There's Zen Kitchen as well as the Sky Bar. High above the Las Vegas Strip, the 23rd floor Sky Bar is the place to enjoy unforgettable views of the city lights, signature cocktails created by expert mixologists, local craft beers, wines, spirits, and light fare as well. Also high above the Strip is the Waldorf Astoria's Tea Lounge, where you can enjoy classic English afternoon tea in the stylish 23rd floor tea lounge way above the Las Vegas Strip. Fantastic views, very expensive, but if you can afford it, or if you want to just give yourself a really big expensive treat, you got to check out the Tea Lounge at the Waldorf Astoria. Next up, the Park MGM Hotel and Casino, home to Italy, one of my favorite places to stop and shop when I'm in town, but this isn't about Italy, it's all about hotels and casinos on the Las Vegas Strip and in town, so let's check out Park MGM. La La Noodle is a great casual place to stop off for some noodles or Pan-Asian cuisine. House of Gaga, I want to say it's kind of like a pop-up museum for all things Lady Gaga, but it's been here for several years, so I guess you can't really consider that a pop-up. Lady Gaga has a on-again, off-again residency here in Las Vegas, and this is pretty much her home, the Dolby Theater right here at the Park MGM. Nomad is a boutique hotel within a hotel, kind of like the Nobu at Caesars. This is the Shoppy, that's 2 P's and an E just to aggravate people like me. This is Primrose. They believe that breakfast is better without a deadline and garden parties with bubbles are the best way to brunch. Great views of the pool from Primrose, by the way. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Here we have Bavette's Steakhouse and Bar. Bavette's embraces French flair without the formality, blending fine dining with unabashed fun. Juniper Cocktail Lounge is right off the casino floor. Did you know gin was made with juniper berries? No, you didn't, liar. This is Side Betty Grill, not necessarily a speakeasy, but definitely off the beaten path, and you have to know where you're going to find it. Perhaps one of the best underrated grills on the Las Vegas Strip. It's located right behind the sports book here at the Park MGM. Now, On the Record is kind of like a speakeasy. The joy of hanging out in a record store is the inspiration for Park MGM's speakeasy and club experience. Unexpected discoveries and songs that stop you in your tracks can be found here. Mama Rabbit is a ode to mezcals and tequilas from across Mexico. Best Friend is a Korean barbecue joint by Roy Choi. Lots of hidden gems here at the Park MGM. Outside we have the Crack Shack. It's a gourmet fried chicken eatery known for its one-of-a-kind menu items. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this series. If you missed a couple of the beginning episodes, go check them out. And stay tuned for lots more coming from this Hotels and Casinos of Las Vegas series on the New York channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.